out the other way. Shit.
Huh?
We're not going out the other way. We're going to take this road back up the river.
Why?
Cause I've been up that way, and once we get to the top of that hill, it gets boring. I've never been this way, so we'll both learn
What the
something.
fuck are you talking about? We're going a different way?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only about a 40-mile bypass. We'll still pick up 70 up there.
Huh?
We'll still pick up 70. Oh, fuck. Road work anyway.
Oh, God, really? Oh, well. It ain't like we ain't got time.
Go here.
We got the bridge.
This runs along this river all up through here. Figured it'd be pretty good shots. Yeah, look at this shit.
Your fucking thing there is killing me.
What thing?
This fucking dark thing.
Why? What's it doing?
Because I can't, you know, it's kind of, well, I guess I could do that, huh? How come it's showing me every shot I take?
I don't know. Oh, I got it on preview. Fuck. I thought it was for video. I guess it's previewing the pictures too. But it doesn't matter. Shoot anyway. Just keep shooting. You'll go ahead and take the picture and then preview when you get through.
But that fucking GoPro, or whatever the fuck you call that thing, is right in the goddamn way of everything.
Are you gonna bitch all the way through here? Look at all this beautiful scenery.
Well, look, I want to take a picture right there, and that motherfucker's right in the way. I want to take a picture of that fucking rock right there.
Damn rock.
Fuck.
Should be able to get some. No, it's on my side here. Anyway. Say Colorado Riverway?
Huh? You what?
That sign, I thought it said Colorado Riverway regulations.
I don't know.
I don't think we're in Colorado yet. Oh man, this is a beautiful place for camping, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Cussing and yelling about it ain't gonna change it.
I don't give a fuck.
But you have to pay here too, huh? I just come for the view, people.
Huh?
I told them I just come for the view. I ain't sticking around. Pay no due. This is a beautiful drive, I will admit. Yeah, it runs right by the river all the way up until we get to 70. Thought it would, that's why it looked like on the map. See if my wallet's in there.
God damn. What the fuck? Yeah.
Alright.
There's no fucking wide river though.
Yeah.
fuck cleaned that window, Rick?
I did.
When?
Back there at the station.
You done a fucked up job.
Well, you wasn't cleaning the damn thing. I had to.
I was in the fucking store.
Well, you had to come out sooner or later.
I had beer in my hand. I had to get it cold.
Oh,
Somebody in a boat or something like that.
as long as you had beer with you, okay. They didn't have no damn Corona.
I didn't see none.
I'm joking. If you do see any,
Oh, I will.
and if you decide to buy some for me, a six-pack's all you need to get. Now, if you're getting it for both of us, buy whatever much you want.
Get the what?
I said if you're buying for both of us, buy as much as you want. But if you're just getting it so I'll have Corona,
Yeah.
six-pack's all you need.
No. I don't buy 6-packs.
Then you'll have to help drink it.
I kind of sort of plan on it.
Now, this would be a good place to come up and spend a week. Well, I don't know. Depends on how good the fishing is.
Where the fuck that boat go? I was going to try to get a picture of it.
He probably
Walking
went in
around
the
there.
water.
Huh?
He probably went in the water.
Yeah, he probably did.
There was a...
See, that is the Colorado River.
It,
Muddy motherfucking thing.
that's all them damn people out there stirring up the fucking water.
I really don't think that has a fucking nothing to do.
I was in Florida, and you know they got all those shipbuilders and they got more boat dealers than they do car dealers down there. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I passed this one place that build boats, and on the side of their building, it said, "Instant fun, just add water."
Oh, motherfucker, you stupid nigger!
So I started calling them Quaker boats,
Huh.
like Quaker oats,
Mm-hmm.
just add water.